I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni salad with pineapple. Start by cooking 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and immediately rinse it under cold water. This crucial step halts the cooking process and prevents the macaroni from becoming sticky. It also ensures your salad will have a delightful texture. Make sure the macaroni is completely cool before moving on to the next steps, as warm pasta can affect the dressing. Now let's create our signature creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. For an extra layer of flavor, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, along with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything until it's perfectly smooth and well combined. This dressing forms the delicious base for our macaroni salad. Next, it's time to add the star ingredient, pineapple. Make sure to drain 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple extremely well, pressing out any excess liquid to avoid a watery salad. Then, finely dice about 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These additions provide a wonderful crunch and a subtle savory note. Gently fold the well-drained pineapple, celery, and red onion into your cooled macaroni until everything is evenly distributed. Finally, pour your delicious creamy dressing over the macaroni, pineapple, and vegetable mixture. Using a large spoon or spatula, gently fold everything together until all the ingredients are thoroughly coated with that luscious dressing. Be careful not to overmix, as we want to maintain the texture of the macaroni. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it even more delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.